Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's project's pretty simple and easy to make, but it's one that I feel like I've been needing just in the little bit of time that I've been woodworking, and I think it's probably a pretty essential tool for most woodworking shops, and that is the center finding and marking tool. It's probably one of the easiest things that you can make in the shop, but it comes in extremely handy because I know I've already needed it 3 or 4 times and I just haven't had one. So hopefully this won't be too painful for any of us. Thanks for dropping in and watching, and please let me know what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe if you'd want to. If you don't want to, I understand. Here we go. First, we just try to find a center point and get that marked off for us. Okay, after drilling the center hole, we need to get our measurements for the 2 dowels, and it's absolutely imperative that these are equal distances from the center in order for this tool to work. So that's the most important measurement in this whole process. Well, so far so good. It doesn't look too bad so far, I don't guess. Not the prettiest thing, but it'll work. Now for a quick coating of oil, I'm using a boiled linseed oil here. That's one of the things I know I need to get me a book on, because there's so much to know about wood finishing and, you know, what to use and when and how to apply it that, yeah, I need to probably just get me a book on it. Please let me know if you know any good ones for recommendations down in the comments. And after it's had a little bit of time to soak up some of that oil, put a nice coating of wax. This is just a beeswax and boiled linseed oil mixture that I made. I'm not sure how much I like it yet or not. I've got to get the ratio, find the right ratio that I like. Still working on that. And after it's set a while, we'll buff out the wax. I was actually going to try my cotton buffing wheel that I got for my bench grinder, but it looked like it was really going to be a pain and a lot longer than I felt like fooling with today to install it, switch it out for the other wheel. So I said, we'll just do this by hand today. And after buffing, we grab a piece of wood to test it out. Looks like it works to me. Check it with the ruler, and I have to admit it was pretty accurate. Wish I'd got a better shot of that. My camera skills leave some to be lacking, but you'll have to take my word for it. And there we have the finished product. One thing I would like to do, I think it would look a whole lot better if I got some naturally finished wood pencils. That yellow one was all that I had right now. But But let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thank you and goodbye.